Something new for me, monthly subscription to 3D design and animation in Blender tutorials set as video lessons you can watch online. This pool of tutorials will keep increasing. So after you join and I add new tutorial, you will be informed right away. You also get some environment for your personal projects. The moment you join, you can download that. Tutorials you can check over here, and what more is important to say is that my further tutorials won't be uploaded anywhere else. So I would like to inform this way my former students and my present students that I completely move my future tutorials only to this platform, and I will not upload tutorials anywhere else. So if you want to continue learning with me, join my platform. Why I move my tutorials over there? It is because I believe that learning should be done in some different way, that you can simply study in some better environment and at some lower price than you are actually paying on other platforms. And I think you will like that. And I also want to be able to provide a lot more than those platforms are actually allowing me, and they have so many limitations in providing content that I simply decided to move over here, where I can also teach you better, where I can provide certain things along with teaching and help you create better designs, better animations, and all that, as I mentioned earlier, at much lower subscription price than you were actually paying anywhere else to join my classes. So this was quite a work to be done, and it took a while for me to prepare everything over there, and I'm still working on it, but I really want to continue teaching and to help you learn how to be creative. There will be tutorials of some other type, not only Blender, but I will explain that in some other video. This is only about Blender today, and I would like to see there all my former students, my present students, and all those who would like to learn Blender to come and join me in my new store and to learn together, to grow together, and to create one nice community over there, so we can keep on expanding our skills and our knowledge, and to grow our creativity together.